It's called Give That Wild Man a Knife. And the story is, it's about one of her former college roommates, which, I don't know, maybe she'll tell you the story if you ask her. Sometimes she doesn't want to, though. After that, the music kind of slows down, and that's when you know Maya's tune, Bellows Falls, has started. And we're going to Bellows Falls on this trip, actually. We'll be there Sunday. Anyone know where that is? What state that's in?
Vermont.
Right on, Vermont. They don't know where that is in Oklahoma. They don't know where Vermont is in Oklahoma. So yeah, we're gonna go to Bellows Falls and play Bellows Falls. But not before we do Oliver's tune. It's called Waiting on a Hannah. And the story is that he was waiting on somebody named Brittany, and she didn't come. Brittany Hannah, that is. And she didn't come, and so he wrote this tune.
I could have called it the woman with two first names. But I didn't.
Kind of what's happening here is these guys are changing the tuning of their fiddles down from this sort of standard tuning to two open octaves. So it goes G, D, G, D, and you get this sort of ancient, really Appalachian traditional sound. So it's called cross-tuning the fiddles. So I figure we're in a library. You guys want to know this kind of information.
Yeah, normally it sounds like this.